MBA flex option enabled me to pursue an opportunity that I wouldn't have been able to pursue otherwise. My name is Maria Lowry and I am a senior consultant at Calypso. I chose the University of Utah Professional MBA program because I wanted the flexibility of continuing to work and going to class and getting my degree. It allowed me to continue to work, continue to apply what I was learning, continue to have an income, and get my degree simultaneously. In January of this year, I was offered the internship of a lifetime, and it would require travel Monday through Thursday. This would mean that my final semester would interfere with this internship. So I met with the PMBA team and asked, what would it take for me to still finish my degree and take advantage of this internship? Very quickly we discovered that I could take the classes that I would have taken over the summer, postpone until the fall, and take them online. The online classes enabled me to log into class, listen to my lectures from Airbnbs in Portugal, from hotels in Dublin. And I didn't have to miss any coursework. I got everything I wanted. I got the internship of a lifetime, I got my dream job, and I got to finish my MBA, all because of the flex option.